You know what it's like? You're halfway through a game, suddenly the hunger pangs hit, wait for the next loading screen, and off you go to the kitchen and there's nothing to eat. This YouTube series gives you a few ideas of what recipes you can whip together within 5 minutes-ish. Don't hold me to that. This has got to be one of my favourite quick and easy meals. It's called a pizza wrap, and it doesn't involve any wrapping whatsoever of the word variety or of the actual folding. One wrap, obviously, some tomato puree, some tomato sauce, an onion, a bag of grated mozzarella, some salami or any other kind of meat you fancy, oregano, or for our American friends, oregano, and basil. Mix the two ingredients, tomato puree and ketchup, in equal quantities. I generally work on the ratio of a couple of squirts of each. That would make it even, I suppose.
Mix in your basil and your oregano.
Spread the mixture across the wrap, just leaving a little edge, just like a real pizza. Chop your onion as thinly as possible, as it's not going to be under the grill for very long. Be careful of those pinkies. Put your cheese on. You don't have to do it as sexily as I'm doing it here, but knock yourselves out. Finally, add your meat to the top of the pizza. Obviously, you can leave this out if you don't want meat. Put under a hot grill for around about 2 minutes. Make sure the cheese is brown and bubbly. Also, make sure that everything is cooked all the way through. Make sure you keep an eye on it. That wrap can burn very quickly. And there you have it, my quick loading screen pizza wrap. Don't forget to like and favourite this video if you liked it and or want to favourite it. Don't forget to subscribe and ding my bell for notifications of any new videos. Please leave a comment below and let me know if you made it, how well you got on with it, and if you liked it, if you have any ideas how to change it, make it better, let me know. I'll see you next time, gamers. Time to get back to the games.